welcome back to our channel. Today we are at the Greater Vancouver Volkswagen Car Show here in Tsawwassen, BC.
Wow, what a turnout. Can't believe it. This is their 35th annual, and this is the first time for us at this event. Let's go check some of these beauties out.
Never let me go. Hold me when I'm dreaming. tonight.